Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and they made it 300 by 180, and it comes out to 300.176 millimeters. Well, here's the telltale sign right now. Your line thickness, and this is not a rectangle anymore. It is a object. So I took your measurements that you gave me, 150 by 60, and multiplied it over, and I get the exact amount. But it's still at a line so you know what, let's make a copy of that, put it down here, and let's turn this one into a hairline. Now let's take this one, and this is evidently what he did. He went to object and converted the outline to an object. And now look at that, it adds the 1.76. Now this is the hairline. So we'll go to object and convert it to an outline. And it's 0.76 so it's still a hairline, but it's still a really light, in millimeters, that's a really small amount. So if you're going to do this, it's some sort of table, just don't turn it into an object. Here's a telltale sign on yours. If we take the Smart Fill tool, look at the border around there. There's no border. And if we go to view and wireframe, there is a border because it's an outline. So if we go back to view and enhanced, and if we move this out of the way, see, it's even smaller because it's dividing that line. I don't know if you're printing this, regardless, I guess if you're cutting it. See, we've changed this up quite a bit by making an object. So let's back up here. And we're at 150 millimeters by 60 on all of them. You select it. We're at 180. Now it's if you're going to print this will work because this is still 300 by 180. But if you convert it to an object, like evidently you did here, because it just says table on layer 1, even though the line thickness is there, that's the thickness of that line. I don't really know how else kind of explain it. That line just makes up that thickness. And if we go to a hairline, watch how much smaller the line is. But it's still a little bit of a thick line, so it's going to measure that measurement. Hope that made a little bit of sense. But if you're printing it, just don't convert it to an object. And if you're not printing it and you're cutting it, just cut it like this. If you're cutting these out. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.